Yep, this is the Vibe Gel Memory Foam 12-inch mattress. So I bought a Twin XL. Okay, let's unwrap this bad boy. Let's cut it all the way down. Alright, all the way down, like I said, blow. Oh no, I thought I'm done, but it looks like it was on a shrink wrap. It was like, it's all still wrapped up. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this plastic again, and this thing would pop up. It would come to life. Let me get the scissor. Cut it. You see, it start to blow up. It was compressed. As soon as you take off this plastic, it will come to life. It will blow up. Vibe. I like this mattress. It got good review. So that's the Twin XL. I don't know if this 12-inch, but when I measure it, oh no, it's already 11. But it's up to you. But it's still up to you if you want to decide to buy this one. But when it comes to, like, comfortability, they're comfortable.